This is a presentation on solving rational exponents by Mathematically Marcia. Okay, to solve this, let's first of all review what this means. My base of the exponent is actually a radicand. The numerator of the exponent remains the exponent, which in this case is 1. That's assumed, so we don't need to actually do anything with that. And this is my index, which an index of 2 is also assumed. So I just need to find the square root of 9, or what number times itself equals 9. And 3 times 3 equals 9. So the square root of 9 is 3. Okay, another example. Now the base, which becomes my radicand, is 36x to the 4th. My exponent is 1, which is assumed. I don't need to do anything with that. And my index is 2, which is also assumed, so we don't write that. Now, 6 times 6 equals 36. And then x squared times x squared would be x to the 4th, because 2 plus 2 equals 4. Or when you have variables with exponents like that and you're looking for the square root, just cut the exponent in half. Half of 4 is 2. So the square root of 36x to the 4 would be 6x squared. Okay, for this example, let's review putting it in radical form so we can solve it. Square root, or the base, 27, becomes my radicand. And then this is my exponent. I'm going to put that outside. And then here is my index. Usually it's easier to do the root first and then square it. So let's take 27. If you don't know what the cubed root of 27 is, you can find it by doing the prime factors. 3 goes into 27 9 times, and then 3 goes into 9 3 times. Notice we have 3 of them. So that's my cubed root. So now I need to find 3 squared. Don't forget about that 2 there. And 3 squared would be 9, because 3 times 3 equals 9. So the cubed root of 27 squared is 9, or 27 to the 2/3 is 9. Alright, 32 to the 3/5. Remember, the base of the exponent is your radicand. Here is the exponent of the whole thing. And the denominator becomes the index. And you do, again, want to do the root first. If you don't know the 5th root of 32, you can easily find it by doing the prime factors. 2 goes into 32 16 times. 2 goes into 16 8 times. 2 goes into 8 4. 2 goes into 2 2. Notice we have 5 2. So the 5th root of 32 is 2, which needs to be cubed because of that exponent. And 2 cubed, which means 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. So 32 to the 2/5 equals 8. Okay, to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, comments, or requests for future videos, please share that in the comment section below. And thank you for watching.